In this video, you'll see how to buy a public transport ticket at Prague Airport. First, find a ticket machine. If you're not sure where to look, check the link in the description to my other video that shows exactly where they are at the airport. Start by selecting English, then choose Buy Tickets. You won't make it to the city centre in just 30 minutes, so the cheapest ticket isn't enough for this journey. If you don't plan to use public transport anymore, the 90-minute ticket for 40 CZK will be enough. The ticket is valid for everything: buses, trolleybuses, the metro, trams, and even boats, for 90 minutes after you validate it. Personally, I think Prague's public transport is excellent, so I definitely recommend getting at least a 24-hour ticket. Now simply select the ticket you want by tapping on it. Next, choose your payment method. You can pay either in cash, Czech crowns only, or by card. I'm choosing to pay by card. Check that everything is correct and tap your card. The ticket will then be printed and come out at the bottom. Be aware that to be valid, tickets must be validated. Curious to see what the trip into the city centre with trolleybus line 59 and a metro transfer is really like? Watch my next video for a full walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time in Prague.